kilo! Here's a delicious and easy lettuce salad recipe that pairs perfectly with any meal. This refreshing salad with a mouth-watering dressing will become one of your favorites. Wash the lettuce leaves, dry them, and chop them into your desired size. Place them in a large salad bowl. Thinly slice the red cabbage and add it to the bowl. Bit of parsley. One onion. Slice the onion as thinly as possible. Cut the cucumber in half and slice it thinly. Quarter the cherry tomatoes and add them to the bowl. We add salt to our salad. Olive oil, lemon juice, and pomegranate molasses. Pour this dressing over the salad. Add the corn and mix all the ingredients well. Enjoy your meal! Don't forget to try this delicious lettuce salad at home.